Hello students, how are you today? I hope you are fine and enjoying good health. Welcome to the English class. So dear students, today we are going to start a grammar section and the first topic that we are going to start today is determiners. So today we will do its definition, types and examples of determiners. So what are determiners? So you can see in this picture that noun is asking something to the determiner. Can you help me? So in this picture you can guess, you can judge, you can imagine what are determiners. So the words that are used to limit, determine or qualify the meaning of a noun or pronoun are known as determiners. Means words which modifies noun or a pronoun are known as determiners. Next moves to the types of determiners. I think definition is clear to you. Now we will see the types of determiners. First is articles like a, and, the. You know very well these are articles. Demonstratives, this, that, these, those. These are called demonstratives. Now possessives, which shows possessions or belongings like my, your, his, their. Next is quantifiers. Quantifiers means numerals, numbers or ordinals. Means few, some, six, no. These are called types of determiners which we will do one by one. The first is articles. You know very well what are articles, I think. A and the are called articles and there are two types of articles. Indefinite articles and definite articles. A and N are indefinite articles because we use A or N for general things. And the is the definite articles because we use the for specific or particular things. Fine? Means definite article is used before singular and plural nouns when the noun is specific or particular. The article signals that the noun is definite, that it refers to a particular member of a group, means specific member of a group. And indefinite articles a and an. We use a with nouns starting with the consonant sounds. For example, a cat, a house. And an is used with nouns starting with the vowel sound. Example, an apple and an opera, like these. Okay. Next is demonstrative determiners. It modifies a noun. Demonstrative determiner modifies a noun like these flowers are beautiful. In this sentence, flowers is a noun and these is a demonstrative determiner. These demonstrative determiner is modifying the noun, that is flowers. I like those houses. In this example, those is a demonstrative determiner. Next type is possessive determiners. Possessive determiners modify the noun following it in order to show possession. Means these determiners shows possessions or belongings. For example, my, your, his, her, its, our, your, their, etc. Example is this is my house. Means my is a possessive determiner which is followed by the noun, that is house, which it modifies. Next comes the quantifiers. Quantifiers are words that indicate the quantity or amount of a noun. For example, 3 pencils, all countries, some books, little time. Like these means which indicates the quantity or amount or number of a noun. Next comes the interrogative determiners. These determiners are used before nouns to ask a question. Means these are question words. For example, which, what, when, where, why, whose. These are interrogative determiners. For example, what books do you like to read? In this sentence, what is an interrogative determiner which is used before the noun books? Which restaurant did you go to? In this sentence, which is a which is an interrogative determiner. Now dear students, I hope this topic is clear to you. Try to understand the concept. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Thank you dear students.